Hello everyone, welcome back to the PC tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to make your desktop look more minimal, clean and hopefully more practical.
All the links used in this video will be provided in video description down below, so make sure that you check the video description to get all the links.
So firstly we will hide all the icons on the desktop. We will download the taskbarX. So go to the link below and go to Releases. From here click on taskbarX 64.zip and this will automatically download. Now go to the downloaded file and cut it. Then go to your local disk C and make a folder of tweaks. Open it and then paste it here. Now extract the file. Scroll down and click on Taskbar Configurator. Now set it as transparent and click on Apply. Now click K on taskbarX and it will do its work. So now we will change the wallpaper, and the one wallpaper that I really like is this one from wallpapercave.com. I think it looks quite minimal. So to download, click here and then navigate to your Downloads folder, right-click on the image, set it as desktop background, and as you can see the wallpaper just changed. I think it looks just beautiful. Now we have to download the Rainmeter, so go ahead to the rainmeter.net, and here click download the XF file of the Rainmeter, and right now I will just quickly install the Rainmeter on my system. So here we are in setup of the Rainmeter, and here we have some default skins of the Rainmeter. Right click on each of them and click on Unload Skin. Then go ahead to the web browser, and here I will just use one program which is called the droptop 4. This is basically the skin that we will use to replace our time and the date on our desktop. So to get the file, once again go ahead to the Releases tab, and here you have the click here to download droptop. Click on that and this should start the download. Then navigate to your Downloads folder, and here you have this droptop basic version Rainmeter skin. Click on that one to install. And here click Install, select your preferred language. I will just use English right here, and then you have three options. I prefer the desktop only option, so I will click on that. So here you will click your preferred media player, and then you can also enter weather location, and I also use Celsius, so I will enable Celsius, and for example I'll enter the London right here and then click Continue. And here you can choose a home button. I will just use this Apple one, or you can also use the Windows one. And then can also choose a size for the drop down bar, and you can here select the small one and click Continue on that, and also you can choose here a color option. I will just click color match and then maybe later and finish setup. So this should start the droptop for Rainmeter skin. And I will just click here skip tutorial, and here you have a lot of the options. So basically this is the start menu. Here you can, let's say, select droptop settings, and here I'll just change the theme of the droptop, and I will here select the Big Sur one and click apply this theme. And it should look a lot nicer. So for example, if you want to see your tray icons, you have here an option or three dots, and here you can easily see your tray icons. Right here, however, if you also want to change the volume, you can do by clicking this on the top, and then you can increase the volume of your system. So this is pretty much it for the time and the Rainmeter skin. And now we will use one Rainmeter skin, which is absolutely amazing. And it's from Jack's core, so this is basically the hub for a lot of the skins that he actually created. And click here Jack's core VRM skin file to get the file. And then click on the Jack's core, click install. Click Continue. Click Continue once again and finish installation. And this should be the Jack's original skin, and then go ahead to your widgets, and here I usually use modular blocks. Click here on this green arrow to install the widget, and then go ahead to the general, and here select the widget that you want. I prefer this one with the weather, and then go ahead to the bottom left to activate the skin, and as you can see the skin showed up. For the widget, right click on the widget, click align right here and select center. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I helped you to customize your windows, and if I did, make sure that you smash the like button because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and also if you are new here, hit that subscribe button as well and join the PC tutorials community. Have a wonderful rest of your day guys, and I see you all in the next video.